Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you on how to create auto filter in another worksheet without using VBA, part 2. So the part 2 is a multiple condition. Okay, so what is this auto filter about? Okay, let's say we have this condition list here. Okay, you can, it filter out all the product for. So let's say I add product 5, so product 5 come in, then I add another product 6, so the product 6 also comes in. Okay, so the order of this data appear depends on this order. Okay, so now I change to this product. Instead of I filter by product, I filter by customer. Okay, so since there's no customer here, that means this company here, that means nothing here. So let's say we type in company 1. Okay, the company 1 here. Then let's say we put another company 2, then company 2 here. So it's 1 and 2 only. Okay, so this is called auto filter with multiple conditions, right? And multiple field. Okay, that means how to create this auto filter. We go here. Okay, so to create this auto filter is not that tough. It's easy because we don't use Excel VBA. Okay, the first thing is we create this data. So this data can be any data, right? Okay, with the heading just like that. Okay, then secondly we create the filter sheet. Okay, the filter sheet, that means the heading here follows this heading. Okay, then the condition list here. Okay, so in this condition list, we want to filter either by customer or by product. So we have to put in here. Okay, to do this, we use data validation. Okay, list, and here, then we type in by customer, comma, product. Okay, in customer product. Okay, so we select customer. Okay, then for the start, we just say we put company 1. Okay, now we already set up the condition in this for the auto filter. Okay, the next thing is we want to pull the data from here to here first before we do any filter. So this one we use, okay, for this, because we want to pull either the customer or the product, we don't know. So to do that, we have to use the H lookup, equal H lookup. Okay, H lookup on the customer. I mean, when you look up on the customer, it will give you a customer list all down, that data all down. Then if let's say product, it will give you all the product down the row as in data entry. Okay, that means you look up in this data entry. Okay, then let's say put 1000, comma. Okay, so what is the row? So we use for this one, is it for 2, we use row number. Okay, that means it's 2. That means for this row is number 2. Okay, that means comma exact match, enter. Okay, so we see you got company 2 already. Okay, I mean this one must same company 2 first. Okay, then we log the thing, log. we pull down the thing. Okay. Okay, now we already see the data change. So let's say we change this to product. So you see, then the product comes here. That means it's, let's say 11. So we go here, data entry, it must be 11, top one. Okay, that means it's right. That means we can pull the data accordingly. Okay. So secondly, we want to pinpoint the row location position, right? Using this condition. Okay, now we put company one. So how we going? If let's say we have multiple condition, we cannot use direct equal the cell number. We have to use the total. Okay, the only way is to use VLOOKUP. Okay, so we put here equal VLOOKUP. Lookup for A2 in this range. Okay, in this range. Okay, then we want to log the thing. F4, we log the whole range, comma, exact match. No, one column. It's only one column. Okay, and comma 0. Okay, enter. Okay, so you see NA. That means NA here implies that there's no value here. Okay, that means there's no product here. Okay, that means we have to change the this. Okay, that means if let's say there's value in here, we want to put it as 1. Then if not, we put it as 0. So we use if function. If so is NA open, that means if this one is NA, we as I said NA we put 0. If not, we put 1. That means it follow the list. Then we close. Enter. So that means NA. So we go down there. Okay. So see product. So here all 0 because we use company. Okay. Then we change to company. Product. Then we go here again. We see company 1. We got 1 already. Okay. That means this is right. Okay, so the next step we want to pinpoint the one out, not to compare, to pinpoint the location of one. We use if function equal if this one equal 1, then we put row, else we put blank. Okay, so then we copy down. Okay. You see we have 85, 81. Okay, then we go here, we compress the whole list because this list cannot be used, it's random, so we need to compress. You use the small function, click here, then comma. Okay. Then this one the number 1 we want, so we use row -1 because we are at row 2, so we close the bracket, so we have 81. Okay, and okay, then to copy down we have to lock the thing. Okay, let's say we copy down. Oops. Okay, so we copy down, we see we got error here because we only have this value only, so we have to change the to do blanking. So if go to this cell, if error open bracket, then if this one error, we return blank, else return the formula value. Okay, so that means it's no more error there. So now we have all the this the row position of the customer company one. Okay, so now we want to extract the thing. Copy the thing here, go here, enter. Okay, here we use lookup. Look up the heading, comma, then we go to the data entry, lookup. Okay, then we type in 0, 0, comma, then this, then this, comma, exact mesh. Okay, okay. Then we log the heading, we log, use F4 key, we log the range, log the column, this column. Then we have to do blanking. If error, comma, blank, enter. Then we copy here and all the way down. Okay, I mean we already extract the whole list already. I mean the auto filter is considered functioning already. So we transfer here, we link the thing back, equal here, enter. Okay, then copy here. Okay, so if we want the format like here, we copy from here. We use format painter. Okay, and go here. Okay, then we copy it down. Maybe output. Okay, so we have company one. Let's say we testing, we put another company. Company 2, we put company 3, and all come out. Okay, let's say we change this to product. There's nothing, so we type in product 1, the product. One. Okay, the product 1. So we do product 2, product 2. Okay, I mean this one is working already. So once working, that means you want to log only there's changes, you do put here, highlight here, then you go to review, allow user to edit, new. Okay, 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 then you protect the sheet. So that means when I touch here, protected. So when I select here, customer. Okay, that means this is called auto filter with multiple condition. Okay, hope you. Okay, then the next thing is I want to show you in our future videos. This is consider advanced auto filter. It is either either condition. That means, okay, let's say I show you. Okay, okay, I delete 24. See, I delete 700. That means when there's no condition here, the filter will select all data here. Like, you see, that means you see 25800,910. You go here, 25800,910. Okay, that means it will return. That means it's similar to your original data. Okay? Okay, when I select here 23, and it will only give me the thickness of 23. So I'll select here 700. It will give me the 700. Okay, and if I say I check delete here, 700 come. Okay, I select 24. Yeah. Okay, so that's why this is our future video to be learned. Before I end, subscribe to my channel for future